Today I'm gonna do the cinnamon challenge.
I don't want you to spill it. I don't
I
want you
can
to
do
spill
it,
it.
Mom.
I don't want you to spill it.
I can't do it.
Did it just come out of your nose? Swallow it. Nobody can do it. Your water.
Thanks for watching.